What if an AI agent could handle repetitive tasks, book tickets, generate content, and analyze data all while freeing you up to focus on the big picture? That's exactly what OpenAI's Operator promises to do. In this video, I'll show you what Operator is, how it works, and how it could revolutionize your business. OpenAI's Operator is not just another AI tool. It's an intelligent agent that acts on your behalf, automating tasks, analyzing data, and even creating personalized experiences. Whether you are managing workflows, enhancing customer interactions, or boosting creativity, Operator has the potential to simplify and supercharge your operations. Because it's such a new concept, you might be wondering how exactly does it work and how can you use it. In this video, I will explain its capabilities and give you a glimpse of how it might transform businesses in the near future. And if you are excited about AI and tech innovation, please hit subscribe. I share actionable strategies every week to help you stay ahead of the curve. Let's dive in. So what is OpenAI Operator? At its core, OpenAI Operator is an AI agent designed to act on behalf of users. It can book tickets, process data, respond to queries, and much more, all while integrating into existing workflows. Unlike traditional automation tools, Operator can run both in the cloud and locally, which means it can handle sensitive tasks without compromising data privacy. Operator is not just a task bot. It's a fully adaptable assistant that learns and improves with use. Imagine a tool that can analyze customer feedback, summarize reports, and even assist in creative brainstorming. That's the level of versatility Operator brings to the table. One of the most immediate benefits of Operator is task automation. Think about the repetitive tasks you or your team handles daily. Things like scheduling meetings, drafting emails, or organizing data. Operator can take this off your plate. For instance, let's say you are a team manager juggling multiple projects. With Operator, you could set up workflows where it schedules meetings, sends follow-ups, and even generates summaries of discussions, all with minimal input from you. The time savings alone could make a massive impact on productivity. And businesses could also use Operator to streamline administrative tasks like onboarding new employees. Instead of manually entering details into multiple systems, Operator could handle the data transfer seamlessly. Second, creating personalized customer experiences. Another area where Operator could shine is in customer interactions. Imagine a customer reaching out to your business. Instead of waiting for a human agent, they are greeted by an AI that provides instant, accurate, and relevant answers. And it's not just about speed. Operator has the potential to make interactions personal. For instance, it could use a customer's purchase history or past interactions to tailor its responses. It could recommend specific products, suggest upgrades, or even offer discount based on the customer's preferences. For businesses with high customer volumes, this level of automation could reduce response times dramatically while improving the overall experience. Third, boosting creative and marketing workflows. Operator is also a powerful tool for marketing teams. Think about how much time goes into brainstorming campaigns, writing content, or creating visuals. With Operator, you could speed up these processes without sacrificing quality. Let's say you are planning a product launch. Operator could help draft press releases, generate blog content, or even suggest ad copy based on your input. If paired with tools like DALL-E, it could also create custom visuals tailored to your campaign needs. This doesn't mean replacing human creativity. It's all about amplifying it. By automating the repetitive tasks of the creative process, your team can focus on the strategy and innovation. Fourth, unlocking insights from data. One of the most exciting aspects of Operator is its ability to process and analyze a large amount of data. Businesses generate endless streams of information, but turning that data into actionable insights is often a challenge. Operator can summarize data sets, identify trends, and even flag anomalies that might otherwise go unnoticed. For example, a SaaS business could use it to analyze user feedback and spot recurring feature requests. Acting on those insights could lead to improved customer satisfaction and retention. With Operator, it's not about just having data. It's about using it effectively to make smarter decisions. So guys, while Operator is still a new concept, its potential is clear. Imagine it being used in logistics to optimize delivery routes, or in finance to analyze transactions and flag fraud in real time. Or think about how it could help retail businesses predict inventory needs during peak seasons. The possibilities are endless, but what makes Operator so exciting is its flexibility. As businesses explore and experiment with its capabilities, we are likely to see entirely new applications emerge, applications we haven't even thought of yet. So here are the challenges to consider. Of course, adopting a new technology like Operator comes with challenges. Integrating it into existing systems might require careful planning, especially for businesses with older infrastructure. Cost can also add up if workflows aren't optimized for efficiency. So the key is to start small. Identify one or two high-impact tasks to automate. Track the results and expand its use as you gain confidence. With thoughtful implementation, these challenges can be managed effectively. So guys, OpenAI Operator is more than just a tool. It's a glimpse into the future of business automation. From streamlining tasks to delivering personalized experiences, its potential to transform industries is immense. While it is still early days, now is the perfect time to explore how it could fit into your business. So how would you use OpenAI Operator in your business? Share your ideas in the comments. I would love to hear them. And if this video gave you valuable insights, please hit subscribe. Each week, I share actionable strategies to help you leverage AI and build smarter and more innovative solutions. Let's make the future of work smarter together. See you next time.